Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and make a video here about creating a blog and monetizing a blog and how you can make the absolute most money possible. And I think if you're lucky enough to not have started a blog yet and you want to start a blog, one of the things that you could think about is how can I make the most money? Okay? Before thinking about the right niche, right? Think about what products do you want to sell? What kind of blog do you want to be? Now, if you haven't seen my free course, go to Cash Cow. Let me go ahead and take you guys there now. CashCowNicheSites.com. And this is the website. If you click here on this button that says free blogging course, just go ahead and click on it. It will take you there to our free blogging course. We have a section in the course about selecting the niche, right? And after you watch that video, you don't have to pick your niche right away. But think about this, right, in terms of a money-making aspect. What products can I sell or be affiliated with or be involved with that can produce me the highest yield possible? And I'll give you an example. If you see this website here, I won't really make too much money off of it. And when I mean too much money, I'm talking about in regards to some of my other websites, and I'll explain. This website right here is a testosterone boosting guide website, okay? We'll talk about steroids here. We'll talk about different hormones. We'll talk about all kinds of different things. And you could actually see some of the different blog posts. Let's actually go to the website itself, howtoboosttestosterone.org, okay? And you could see here we have a lot of different stuff. I mean, articles written 7 ways to boost testosterone levels naturally. What is male hypogonadism? We have different information about different things like, do onions increase testosterone? The most that what I can make here from a financial perspective is I can sell supplements, right? I can sell ebooks. I can maybe be an affiliate for supplements. Those are examples of things that I could sell. It's going to be hard for me, right, as somebody who's creating cash cow sites, which means multiple sites, to really make thousands off one customer, right? And I'm referencing this to one customer at a time. And the reason why this is important is because when you're building a business, especially if it's your first business, you want to ask yourself, how can I get the money faster? And there's no shame in that. I know some people have some sort of preconceived notion that there's something wrong with making money. So if you're in that situation, like, please erase that from your mind. Like, it's fine to make money, okay? And what you really need to think about is the products you can sell. I'll give you a quick example, right? Right now on our website, we're getting about 500 page views per month. Some of it, or I'll put it this way, 180 to 200 of those page views, so almost half, are through just Google, okay? Organic traffic. Some of those other traffics are, more than one page session for that person. Or more than one page view for that person. Then you have recommendations on social media, forums, etc. Okay? That traffic, right? If I was to create a finance blog, I can make maybe over $2,000 for that amount of traffic. And the reason why is because with finance, if you recommend things like certain credit cards or certain bank accounts, you can get really, really high money as an affiliate. I'll give you an example. If you sign somebody up to Capital One, you can get $85. If you sign somebody up to Webull, you get free stocks. If you sign somebody up to Robinhood, you also get free stocks. If you sign somebody up to a cheaper insurance, you can get a lot of income from that as well. If you sign somebody up to a company called Nova Banking, you get $50 per customer. If you sign somebody up to get their LLC, you can get $300 per customer. So these are examples where you can make a lot more per customer, right? And obviously, I'm going to tell you, for your first blog, it makes sense to do something that you're interested in, right? Something you're passionate about. So you can have the own information. You don't have to hire anybody to write blogs for you. You know what you're doing, right? And the reason why that's important, like I said, is because if you match these things together, you actually have a killer business plan. Like, it doesn't always have to be so complicated. You like the things that you're talking about. You like the things that you're marketing. You're making a lot of money doing it, right? And, well, you're doing it each and every day, and you're slowly growing. And I want you guys to remember the concept of creating a cash cow niche site. The niche site aspect means the site is naturally small. And when I say naturally small is that you don't have 10, 20 writers on there. You're the only writer. You're the only one producing content, right? By the end of that, website's, I guess you could say blog collection, you might have 50 to 60 to 90 blog posts, sometimes even 30 or 40, right? You might have, 500, 1,000, 10,000 visits a month, which is really not much, okay? You might have 500 visits a month, 800 visits a month, right? It's a niche site. It's smaller. It's hyper-specific on a certain topic. That's something. But also, right, it generates a lot of income in that specific niche. Because if something's hyper-specific, it will generate a lot of income. And because the nature of it being a blog, and it's more passive, meaning you don't have to sit there and nurture every single customer, right? That's passive income. Now it becomes a cash cow. Now, when people hear the word cash cow, they think of like millions and millions of dollars. Not all the time, because you can go ahead and create another site just like it. It doesn't have to be in the same niche or same category, but the same concepts, right? You find products that you promote, you enjoy what you're doing, you enjoy what you're writing about, and as the first website is generating you income, it's funding the project of the second one. How beautiful is that? And so on, and so on, and so forth. And it's creating more income for you. And if you haven't seen one of my first videos where I compared blogging to real estate, blogging is much more profitable than real estate, okay? I actually created that video. I'm going to leave a link in the description for that video. You guys have to see it because I literally broke down the numbers. A lot of people in business, right, who read some basic books and think that, maybe watch some YouTube videos, think that real estate is such a great business. It's really not. At least in the year 2023, it's really not. And once again, I broke down the numbers. So if you want to see the numbers in that video, I'll leave a link in the description. It's actually pretty cool. And the reason why I say this is because, unfortunately, I fell for the trap. I thought that real estate was a great business. And after I was doing very well online, I decided, let me go do something in real estate. And that was foolish of me. Very, very foolish. It was a bad mistake. Not only did I waste time, but I wasted money. And I won't be making that mistake again. Okay? The point here is that you can be very profitable. All right? Just look at the different products you're selling and be okay with the niche that you're in with the products that you're selling. So, for example, I have a website here that you guys could see. The most I'll probably get out of a customer ever is like $40 to $50. That's perfectly fine for me. I don't need that much because I have multiple different sites, right? I have a treadmill website, review website, and the most I'll get out of a customer is maybe $200 to $300. That's perfectly fine as well. I have different websites that serve different purposes. So, if you guys are interested, I'll leave that link in the description for you to watch that free video on the blogging versus real estate. And also, I'll leave the link in the description for the free course. And yes, I am gradually updating the course. In fact, today, I'm going to sit down and add some more content to it. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bye.